Okay, so the first problem that we're solving, we are looking for a missing side. Okay, so our problem is the Eiffel Tower stands at a whopping 1,063 feet tall from base to tip and casts a shadow onto the ground. The angle of elevation from the shadow to tip of the tower is 43 degrees. What is the length of the shadow from the base of the Eiffel Tower? Okay, so we are trying to find this side right here. I know I'm really bad at drawing shadows, but okay, so the first thing I have to do is I have to figure out if I'm going to be using sine, cosine, or tangent. So I'll just write down my little reminder. So, TOA, sine, cosine, tangent. So, okay, now I know that it has to use the opposite side from the angle, so that angle right there, since that's the one we have. And then I know I'm trying to find the adjacent side of that angle. Okay, so it has to have the opposite, so it's not going to be that one. And it has to have the adjacent, so okay, so we're going to be using tangent to find this one. So, okay, so I'm going to start tan, and then I know my angle is 43. So plug that in right there, equals opposite over adjacent. So the opposite side, I know that that one is 1063 over side I'm trying to find, x. And then I'm just going to turn this into a fraction to make it easier to cross multiply. So cross multiply and get x times tan 43 equals 1 times 1063. Okay, so now I have to get x by itself, so I have to divide both sides by tan 43. This is going to cancel out. So now I've got x equals, and then I have to use, I'm just going to plug it into my calculator, but I have to use the one, like my real one, because I don't know how to use the one on the computer. But I'm just going to plug in 1063, divide that by tan times 43, and that gives me approximately 1,139.9 feet. Okay, so I just figured out that the length of the shadow is approximately 1,139.9 feet. Okay, thank you.